Now I'm gonna take a bite. Hi friends, this is me again. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make carbonara. So let's see what we need for this recipe. Because it's very hard to find guanciale here where I live, today I'm gonna use pancetta. Spaghettoni, which is a big size of spaghetti, pecorino, olive oil, 2 eggs and pancetta. Now I'm gonna mix 1 egg and 1 egg yolk with a little bit of pecorino. A little bit of olive oil, not too much. And now the pancetta. A pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna drop the spaghettoni in the boiling water. That's it, spaghetti carbonara. Now I'm gonna add some fresh pepper. And a little bit of pecorino cheese. This is it, the classic recipe. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Wow. Wow, it's delicious. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.